Nababo Kabalen. Welcome to Pampanga.
Yeah, for today's vlog, if you're looking for a billiards, food and drinks dito sa may Mabalacat,
Yes.
this is the newest sports bar na matatagpuan nyo.
Ang galing. Mark, this is Jay's spot and we're gonna play inside. We're gonna eat and of course, we're gonna be refreshed. Guys, if you wanna know more about this new tambayan dito sa Mabalacat, Pampanga, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's
let's
go!
go!
Again, welcome po sa Jay's spot. So this is the newest billiards food spot.
Tambayan, dito sa may Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Yes, so ayun guys, located dito sa may RTG building, 4th floor along MacArthur Highway, and dito lang yan sa may Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Yes.
So dito guys, as of now, meron po silang 3 billiards table. So soon guys, they're gonna be adding one more. Tambay lang po kayo dun sa fan page nila para makita nyo yung update. So dito pala guys, 220 pesos per hour ang table natin.
At the same time, meron din silang mga food.
Yes.
Kung ayaw nyo naman maglaro, gusto nyo lang tumambay or uminom, available yung mga food and drinks nila.
So yun nga, kagandahan dito guys, either you play billiards or not, pwede po kayong tumambay dito.
Yes.
Whether you are a pro or regardless of parang rank ba o
Status, kumbaga.
Yeah.
Same time, meron din mga scoreboard sila dito.
Yeah.
So, a little bit semi-pro.
Correct.
Pero
So,
syempre, anyone is welcome. Yun, so later on, nabitin ako, laro pa tayo.
Laro
And
pa tayo,
syempre,
laro pa tayo.
later on, tikman na rin natin mga food.
So, ayun nga guys, kagandahan dito sa J-Spot, brother. Hindi lang siya pang sports bar.
Yes. Meron din siyang food. Ito naman ngayon.
Yun, so,
meron silang mga mains, meron silang mga appetizer,
Yes.
meron silang mga finger food, and meron silang mga pampulutan.
Yeah.
Mga finger foods natin. So, meron tayong calamari, chicken fingers.
Chicken fingers. Yeah.
Siyempre, meron tayong dirty fries, and siyempre yung nachos nila.
Nachos.
At the same time, yung kanilang sparwing.
Yes, fine. So, for their pasta guys, meron tayong seafood marinara, meron tayong Alfredo.
Yes.
And sa mga Filipino dishes, meron tayong deconstructed kare-kare.
Siyempre, di mawawala dyan naman yung kanilang fish and fries, and siyempre, J-Spot's signature chicken.
Signature chicken. So, I think, regardless of what drink are you gonna order,
Yes.
itong dalawang to, swak na swak sa mga finger food natin.
Yes. Speaking of drinks naman,
Yes.
siyempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan.
Cocktails.
Cocktails.
We got 3 cocktails available dito.
So, meron tayo frozen margarita.
Ito yung kanilang signature J-Spot cocktails.
Yes. Yes.
There you go. Ang ganda.
Same time, siyempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan mga fruit soda natin. Meron tayong lychee, and yung kanilang peach.
Yes. And aside from that, we also have coffees, different kinds of coffees and fraps. You gotta check out their menu. So, ayun guys, this is, it's a cafe, dishes. So, again, if you're just gonna go here for the food, hindi po kayo madidisappoint. So, guys, hindi na ako makapaghintay. I think I'm gonna go first for this cocktail and then, syempre, titikman na natin.
Yes, so that's it.
Cheers, guys. There you have it guys, another place for you to check out.
Yes.
Grabe, sobrang nag-enjoy po dito, bro.
If you're looking for a billiards, food, and drinks dito
Uh-huh.
sa may Tao, you must visit J-Spot.
Exactly.
So, if you want to visit J-Spot, they are located dito sa may RDG building, MacArthur Highway, Mabalacat, Pampanga, and they are open from 5 p.m. up to 4 a.m.
The following day.
Every day.
Yun, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next
So
one.
that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye, guys.